So hello guys, this is the part 2 how to make a space zombie shooter game in Scratch. So finally, today we will add the enemies. So yeah, first this is the shooter game Zom. So before we start, save your project as a copy. Because if you have some error, you can always start again. If you can't fix the error. So name this part 2. So yeah, let's start. First, I have found this error fix. Just bring this in the bullet. Nothing more, just delete this and in the bullet do it. Oh, there is no code in the bullet. So yeah, let's go to over here. Now, you wouldn't think, but it is just simple as it. It isn't hard as it looks. Just cover it with a forever loop. And I don't want this. I want 0.2. Then now as you can see, and I found one more error, that is, you can see when we shoot, it goes inside from it. So a quick fix of this error, go to back layer. If you have this backdrop in a sprite, then please do it in a backdrop or you can't see these because they will go to back layer because it doesn't come in the back layer when the sprite is the backdrop, it is a backdrop. So now we have to finally make the enemy sprite. So most of you will think that it would be most of you will think that it would be a shooter sprite, but no, zombie sprite. So we will make this. Of course, it isn't in the Scratch library. So now not a circle, a square. Like this much big, I think. You can always add outlines for it being hard, but no, I wouldn't add. Dark. And then as it is a zombie, so to tell it is a zombie, everybody's know. Some blood on his face. So to create that, it is easy, just make rectangles these circles like this. So you can add more detailing every time. Like you can add the eyes of that, but I don't like this all to do. I will just make it simple, basic. More basic to just do it like some detailing you can add. You can do pixel art, but for me this is enough. The, the, the zombie shouldn't be big than the player, and and make it in the center. So its code is easy. When flag click forever. So wait 5 seconds. I think that is a good value of wait 5 seconds. Wait 5 seconds. And we don't want that. So before this wait 5 seconds, then we have to bring a hide block. Or the main sprite will also show and the clone would also. And yeah, this would be some long scripting over here. So grab if, and this scripting is also important for this all game or the game, or if you are making this game sharing project, everybody would write bad things in the comment because this is a big error. See, when we will add the code, then it can spawn anywhere. What if it spawns in the same x and y of the, so the player will die and we wouldn't get time to also hit the enemies. So now it would be long scripting. Grab a not and equal to equal. Then backdrop of stage. Both sides. And then X position and Y position. So now you have to do over here in the stage shooter, X position of shooter and shooter, Y position of. So create clone of myself. So let me quickly explain you what is written over here. When flag clicked, it has to hide, and forever it has to wait 1 second. If not, X position of shooter equal to the sprite's X position and Y position of shooter is not equal to Y position of this sprite, so it will simply create clone of, then only it can create clone of itself. So yeah, before I do anything, let me just name this sprite zombie. So here when I start as a clone, we have to show first. You can also do this changing from scratch add-ons, which I have told you in a video. So let's go on the main point first. Whatever point towards shooter, and and I just forgot to do this. Go to random position. That's why this code is over here. And if it isn't and it is a simply, then it can also come over here in this player, and the player would die automatically. Who would like these types of things? So point towards shooter, and this is a very tricky thing to this is a very tricky thing to think in your mind, but in but it is so much easy. Glide 1 second to shooter. So you can change this to make it slow. So first I would start. So it is coming towards me. Oh, two of them came. They just spawned. So we touch them and nothing happened because there is no lost code. So create a custom block and call it player player die or player lost. Do not do it run without screen refresh or no animation would come. Animations are always without screen refresh. Then we have to grab a repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by 10, change viral effect so just let me quickly tell you what is viral effect. It is just like this. Mean that is just going down. It is just changing its shape again and again. So before we do anything, when flag clicked, clear. Sorry, clear graphic effect that nothing comes over here. So back into the player lost script. Just do it 10 that it would reach 100 and hide. Then over here, hide, stop all. So first, like every time, stop other scripts in this sprite, or not like this that we have lost and the zombie are making us lost again. So let's code it over here. If touching zombie, then we have to just simply, no need of a stop all, just player lost. Now let's wait for a zombie to come. Zombies come so late. Yeah, please come fast. Yes, as you see, viral effect was also coming. Oh wait, error. In that player lost crypt, we have done a hide. So we have now hidden. Now only zombies can tell us the way because they always glide towards us. Glide towards us. So that is a big error, but a short fix. Show, not a plus. Simply show. Oh no. But then also we have tested. But can you see something? That if we are over here, then we spawn again over here. Easy fix. Go to, and please make sure not to put this in this forever loop. Mm, See what would happen if you put in this in the forever loop. You can't move because forever it has to go to x0 and zombies would kill you easily. So now let's test. Wait for zombie to come. And yeah, just I also want something more to add, like change brightness effect by 10. Come here somebody. So this is all for this tutorial. If you are wondering why I didn't added that we can kill the zombies, so that is why, because the video is so much long. The recording is up till 17. If so, this is all for this tutorial. Till then, bye.